I've been in the Forex game for 2 years now, and let me tell you, I know the struggle. Crazy high platform commissions, low win rate for currency pairs, and if you're following smart signals, you're just stuck in the red. That's why I had to craft a good trading strategy for myself. I've already made over $40,000 with it. Watch this video till the end and I will walk you through it step by step. Hey guys, Agatha here. I've been a trader for over 7 years and in the last year alone I raked in over $1.5 million. Curious to know how I pull in these numbers? Join my Telegram channel. Every day I trade with my 37,000 plus subscribers. They simply copy my moves and together we are making 500K daily. It's free and you get my personal support. Jump on board via the first link in the description and in the pinned comment. Alright, buckle up! I'm about to unveil a strategy that's been battle tested over 20 times, boasting a jaw-dropping win rate above 95%. Can you believe it? So I've decided to set a bold goal for this session. I'm going to turn $90 into $4,000. Now we are diving into action on my go-to platform, Quadex. I've been trading on this platform for over 3 years, and it's where I backed my first million. Let's set the platform up. Just follow my lead. For starters, let's set up the candlestick time frame to 30 seconds and the trade time to 1 minute. All good. Let's choose our currency pairs for today: the US dollar and the real, the US dollar and the rupee, the Canadian dollar and the franc, and finally the New Zealand dollar and the yen. Great! Now let's see the indicators. We are going with a very effective combo today, Arun and Bollinger Bands, both with standard parameters. To understand why this indicator combo is so effective, watch this video till the end. I'll break it down for you. Do you know any cool traders? Share in the comments. Let's discover new experts together. Now let's dive into the real magic. No levitation, but a determined effort to boost my deposit. Let me showcase this profitable strategy. The US dollar and the real. There is a reversal from a local maximum, indicating a powerful downward trend. Let's hit the down button. Boom! There we have it! A fantastic boost in just 1 minute. We've doubled to 36 bucks. Okay, second pair. A new upward trend from the minimum. Let's bet on an increase. A little more and well done! We've got 68 bucks in the bank. Not too bad, yeah? Let's go on. The Canadian dollar and the franc. Arun signals no reversal and a new support line suggests an expected downward movement. Let's go for down. Our indicators are working like a charm. Our total now stands at 129 bucks with a profit of 100 bucks. Don't forget to like this video if you appreciate me sharing the most advanced ways to make money online. Now, back to the game. Fourth pair. The candle is expected to go down. With current low volatility, there is no way the bulls could take over. We are betting on a decline. Nice move! The price dropped as anticipated and the balance now sits at 241 bucks. Quick gains on Quadex. Well, the situation is unclear here. I think I'll skip this pair for now. The chart is confusing and I don't want to take any risks. The US dollar and the rupee. A clear downtrend with strong red momentum. Down button. Well done! 458 bucks in the bank. Let's keep on making money! By the way, I recommend checking out another video featuring a great profitable strategy. Thanks to it, I boosted my deposit from $20 to $5,715. Impressive, right? So check it out and study the strategy. Click here or find the link in the description to watch the video. The situation here is risky again, so I'm moving to the next pair. The New Zealand dollar and the yen. Bulls are attempting a comeback, pushing through previous resistance levels. Finally moving up. Let's hit the up button. Awesome! We've made $856. So far, so good. But let's not stop here. Okay, first pair again. After a prolonged downward movement, there was a bullish attempt, but powerful red momentum indicates the beginning of a bear market. Pressing down. Well done! We're at $1,644. Awesome gains. Let's increase that though. The US dollar and the rupee. We are observing a slowdown in the downward movement on the chart, predicting a reversal and a strong upward movement. Let's place our bid. Nice one! Can making money get any faster and easier? $2,444 from $90 in just 10 minutes. The Canadian dollar and the franc. A clear sideways trend is emerging. We're expecting the red candle to mirror the green one. Hitting the down button. Now it's time to dive into the indicators that have been helping us get rich today. Anti-Arun and Bollinger Bands. Arun is designed to determine the trend, its strength and direction, indicating the formation of a new trend or its absence. It helps traders determine their strategy better. Bollinger Bands consist of 3 lines. The moving average indicates the direction of price movement, while the 2 lines around it show price volatility. Widening indicates market instability, while narrowing suggests stability. When used together, these indicators help analyze the chart by considering volatility and trend and successfully predict the future market behavior. Awesome! $3,434 in our pocket. One more deal and we are done for today. The New Zealand dollar and the yen. Despite small bullish impulses, the global trend is downward. Pressing the down button. Brilliant! A masterpiece session. From $90 we made $4,304 in 10 or 12 minutes. Great job! This strategy has worked like a charm again. If you are on the lookout for winning strategies and signals, I highly suggest joining my Telegram channel. Over 37,000 subscribers are trading with me, raking in $500,000 every day using super effective strategies with an 89% win rate. Just check out their gleeful testimonials. And I'm here to guide you through it all, how to use Quadex and even which buttons to hit. It's all laid out, step by step and totally free. Trading and signals can be a real piece of cake. Just copy my moves and make $500 daily. All you have to do is join my Telegram channel for free and shoot me a private message. Follow the link in the description or in the pinned comment. Today's session was pure awesomeness. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and comment on my videos. And of course, hit that subscribe button. I've got another fantastic video for you. In this one, I effortlessly make $1,287 with just a $1 investment. Yeah, you heard it right. $1 turns into $1,287. It's mind-blowing. So make sure to watch, learn and get in the game. Click here or find the link in the description. And don't forget to share my content with your friends. Let's build the biggest trading community. Peace out, kittens. Love you all. Mwah. Catch you on my cozy Telegram channel.